Hello friends, today we are going to discuss what is the is null function and what is the null if function and what is the basic difference between them and how can we use this function in our query, real-time queries. So let's understand. So in a simple definition, is null function, it is return the specific value if the expression is null. For example, I take simple table city name. Here we can see there is some records in the table, and some records have a null value. For example, in a column, in a country column, there is a 2 null value we can see here, and I just want to different value in a result set. I don't want to see the null value in our result set. For that, we can apply is null functionality in a country column. So same query, I select by column name id, city name, country column, and I want to apply is null functionality in country column. You can see is null function have the two expression. First expression, value or the column on which we going to apply the is null functionality, and second expression is replacement value, and from which value you want to replace if the value comes null from the country column. So if the value comes null from the country column, I want to replace. You can put anything replacement value according your requirement. So I am going to execute after apply is null functionality on the country column, and we can see here we have two column have the null value, and I just going to execute. You can see here result is changed, and null value replaced by NA. It is just a display purpose. You can put anything like nothing. If you put here nothing word, just it show nothing if the value comes null from the country column. Okay, nothing display. Our actual result is null. Actual value in the column is null. But if you want to display something different, if the value comes null, then we can use is null functionality. This is the real-time use of the is null functionality in our query, and it is most of time used in the reporting queries, and as usual in the reporting columns we want some different names, so that we can use is null functionality on that purpose. So next is a null if. Null if, basically it is written the null if the two expressions are equal. Basically null if also have the two parameter, but it is compare the both two parameter. If the parameter are equal, then it return the null value. For example, I apply the null if functionality with the same query, like I just copy, put a separate query, I apply null if the country column value equal to India, then it return the null value. I'm just going to execute same statement. You can see with the actual record, you just compare. This table is the actual table, and we want result set like that. If the country name is India, and then I want to display the null value, then we can use null if. Country value is India, then it is written the null. Same thing, written the null. it is already null value. So this is the use of the null if functionality in our query. And also we can use null if functionality in the different purpose, like in a different type of the calculation. If you want if the calculation result is a 0, then if you want to display the null value in case of the calculation value is a 0, then you can put the same then you can use null if functionality. For example, we can see another example, like select null if 2 minus 2 equal to 0, then it should return null. I'm executing. You can see null. If 2 minus 2 is different from 0, then it returns the result. See, 5 minus 2 value is 3. So in that case it does not return the null value because it is not equal to 0. If 2 minus 2 result is 0 and 0 value equal to second parameter, then it return the null value. This is the main use of the null if value. I hope you guys understand the difference between these two functions. Thank you for watching this video.